Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. And today, I'm just so excited and ecstatic because, as you can see, once again, Masflex sent me this set of pans and cookware. And of course, one thing that makes me so excited is they also sent me their new cast iron fry pan. So it has two sizes. So ito yung maliit, yung 19 cm cast iron fry pan. And of course, etong malaki is 25 cm cast iron fry pan. And of course, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Charan! Look at that. Napakabigat niya, guys. It's understandable. This is a cast iron pan. Ayan. So, dito sa label, you can see, as always, lahat ng mga cookware ng Masflex, pwede sa lahat ng stovetops. So, pwede siya sa electric, induction, halogen, gas, and ceramic. And of course, this is oven safe. Alam nyo ba, I can't stop smiling kasi I've been wanting to buy cast iron pan. Kaya lang every time I check online, parang ang mamahal nila. But then, sinagot na ng Masflex ang aking mga pangarap. Okay. So, they sent me two sizes. And dito, nakalagay kung magkano siya. So, nakalagay dito sa label is, this is just for $699. Guys, $699. And this is from Masflex. At so, alam natin na maganda talaga yung quality. At dito sa likod, nakalagay din yung use and care guidelines. Tapos, nakalagay din dito yung process kung paano mag-season. So, ano bang tinatawag na seasoning when it comes sa cast iron pan? Kasi guys, alam natin, iron to eh. Tinawag nga siyang cast iron pan kasi it's made of iron. So, ano ba yung kalaban ng iron? Kalawang. Yes. Rust. So, if you have a cast iron pan, kailangang alam mo kung paano siya i-maintain at kung paano siya aalagaan. So, yung ipapakita ko sa inyong mamayang process is kung paano mag-season ito. Actually, nakalagay dito na pre-seasoned na siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. But then, ipapakita ko pa rin sa inyo kung paano gawin ang pag-season ng cast iron pan. Okay? So, nandito, meron din silang pinadalang parang letter. Actually, nakalagay dito is yung details lang naman ng cast iron, which is makikita nyo rin siya sa likod netong pan na to. So, nakalagay dito, this is their newly or recently launched na pan. And it is available exclusively sa SM Home, sa lahat ng SM stores. Meron silang nilagay na dalawang spouts, ayan, para madali lang yung pag-pour ng oil or ng grease if nagluluto kayo dito sa cast iron pan. And napaka-comfy ng handle at meron din siyang hole kung in case gusto niyo siyang isabit sa kusina. Okay? Mabigat nga lang siya, guys. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ako super excited to have a cast iron pan? It's because meron ako napanood na chef before na yung ginagamit niyang cast iron pan is cast iron pan pa yon ng great-great-great-grandmother niya. So, makikita mo talaga na yung mga ganitong klaseng pan is they really last a long time. Depende kasi yon kung paano mo siya gamitin at kung paano mo siya alagaan. So, doon yun papasok na kailangan mong malaman kung paano ang pag-season ng pan every after mo siyang gamitin at bago mo siya i-store or itago. So, before ko ipapakita sa inyo kung paano ang pag-season nitong cast iron pan, of course, nakikita niyo naman, meron din akong ibang products dito na pinadala nila sa akin. So, eto, I have like 4 different sizes of pans. Oh, pero bago yan, eto pala. They also sent me their cute glass measuring cups. Ayan. May pangalan talaga siya ng Masflex. Ayan. Okay, glass siya, guys. Etong maliit, napaka-cute. Ayan. Measuring cups, glass measuring cups. So, eto, binuksan ko na siya actually. Excited lang ako makita yung itsura niya. So, etong pinakamaliit, tapos itong next. Pangalan ng brand na to is Elegance. Ayan. So, eto yung binuksan ko. Kung makikita ninyo guys, bagay na bagay talaga ang pangalan niyang Elegance. Kasi look at that. Napaka-elegant po niya. Napakagaan, pero alam natin na durable siya. Masflex to eh, di ba guys? And dahil nga yung Masflex is napaka-generous niya sa Delish PH, I actually have mga old pans na ginagamit ko dito sa cooking videos ko. I am actually planning na ipamigay yung iba sa kanila. I know na Masflex won't mind naman. Pero hesitant ako kasi nagamit ko na siya, guys. Most of the time, yung pinapamigay ko dito sa channel is yung mga bago, especially during the anniversary, di ba? Pero mayroon akong mga old pans and casserole na willing naman akong ibigay sa inyo. Comment lang kayo sa baba kung gusto niyo makatanggap ng mga old pans. Medyo nahihiya ako kasi nga nagamit na siya. But then, alam naman natin na Masflex siya. Used lang siya, pero the quality is still there, non-stick lahat, kaya lang gamit na. So, kung gusto ninyo, I'm gonna create a video soon, or magla-live siguro ako para makapili tayo ng winners, kung saan ipapadala ko yung mga ibang old pans and cookware na ginamit ko rin dito sa cooking video ko. Na they're all from Masflex. Okay? So yeah, this one comes in different sizes. So, 4 na different sizes from small to the bigger one. And of course, meron din silang pinadalang yung casserole with glass lid. Siyempre, kukunin natin siya sa box. Kasi the last time na nagpakita ko ng products tapos hindi ko siya pinalabas ng box. Hindi ko siya pinakita. Parang sinabi nila, bakit ko pa pinakita? Naka-box naman. Okay. So, eto siya. So, anong size ba to? 24 cm casserole with glass lid. Guys, napakaganda niya, guys. Diba, ang sarap magluto sa kusina pag magaganda yung products mo. I mean, yung cookware mo. Nakaseal siya. Pero, yeah, this is how it looks like. Look at the handle. Diba? Napaka-futuristic ng handle niya. Ang cute. Ayan. So, this is Elegance. We call it siguro Elegance kasi napaka-elegant talaga niya. So, meron din niyang saucepan. Ito. Saucepan. And, meron ding ganun pa rin. Parang pan din siya, kaya lang meron siyang lid. Ito. Isang set ng Elegance cookware yung pinadala nila sa akin. Thank you, Masflex. Alam mo ba, ang bait-bait talaga ng Masflex sa Delish PH. Kaya nga, yung mga old pans and casserole ko, gusto ko naman na ibigay sa inyo. Pero medyo hesitant ako kasi baka ayaw nyo nung gamit na mga cookware, diba? But, if you want, just comment below. And I'm gonna find some time na mag-live. Pipili tayo ng winners, diba? Ngayon, now is the time for me to show you kung paano natin i-season and i-prepare para ready na natin gamitin itong ating Masflex Cast Iron Frypan. So here is the process of seasoning the cast iron fry pan. First, of course, we have to wash the pan. We can use a little soap and make sure to avoid using abrasive or harsh detergents. After washing it, we have to rinse and then dry it thoroughly. So we can use a soft cloth or a paper towel to dry it. And then we need to place it on top of the stove and heat it up to remove all the moisture inside and out. And of course, to make sure that it's completely dry. And the next step is to season it with vegetable oil or melted shortening. So all you need to do is just to brush or wipe some oil or shortening throughout the interior and exterior surface of the pan. And finally, we have to bake it in the oven for an hour. So in my case, the maximum temperature of my oven is 250 degrees Celsius. So I just put it on the maximum temperature and then I set it to 1 hour. And after that, you just need to let it cool and then you can now use it or store it. So there you have it. That's how you season your cast iron fry pan. And I know, dun sa mga walang oven, your next question is, paano kung wala kaming oven? Well, of course, for the last part, instead of putting it inside the oven, after nyo siyang i-dry out sa stovetop, of course, you have to brush it with oil or shortening. All you need to do is just put it back in sa stovetop ninyo and then heat it up for 10 to 15 minutes or until yung oil is mag-dried out. And as always, stay thank you so much, Masflex Cookware, for sending me this beautiful cast iron fry pans, and of course, all this Elegance cookware set. And if you guys are interested to check out Masflex Cookware and Kitchenware products, they are available at Shopee and Lazada. And of course, I will still add their Facebook and website link on the description below. As always, please don't forget to like and share this video. And for any comments, questions, or suggestions, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to check them out. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that little bell so you will get notified every time we upload a new video. And of course, you can always like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And to check out more recipes and recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Masflex Cookware and Kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.